Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titignan natin ang energies for you ngayong Burr month. So that's September, October, November, December 2025. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services extended hanggang September 2025. Ayan, so mag-book na lang kayo. Yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment. And pa-like, share, subscribe na rin ang ating video dito sa ating channel. And comment na rin kayo kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Meron nga pala tayong free one question tarot reading. Pipili ako ng winner sa comment section. So, comment nyo na yung question nyo. Kasi doon ako magbabase kung sino ang pipiliin. Ayan, for the free one question tarot reading. Paalala lang, reading na to ay general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaari hindi, just take what resonates. Okay? So, let's see, Aries ngayong Burr months. What's the energy? Okay, overall energy, challenge, opportunity, blessing, September, October, November, December. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Pentacles. Woohoo! Wow! Ten of Pentacles is financial stability. Maraming blessings financially para sa inyo ngayong Burr months. This is also a time for reunion, gathering. Maaring meron ka mga events na pupuntahan na makakasama mo yung extended family mo, mga tsuhin, tsahin, pinsan, ganyan. Big family reunion. This is also about inheritance. So, maaring itong Burr months, may matatanggap ka na mana galing sa iyong parents. Ayan. And also financial abundance. Like, kung ano yung needs mo, it will be provided sa'yo. You have the 7 of Cups, tapos may 10 of Cups. Yung nga lang ang downside nito minsan. Parang may tendency ka na maging magastos. So, yun yung dapat mong ingatan na hindi porkat maraming dumarating na financial blessings, gagastusin mo na rin. Okay lang naman tumulong sa iba, okay lang gumastos kung kailangan. Pero kung hindi na siya yung kailangan, mas maganda na mag-save ng money, no? ng pera. Kasi, magagamit din natin yan sa future, diba? More on your financial security. Yan. Very hardworking rin kayo. Alam nyo, ngayong Burr months, ito yung mga months na talagang trabaho nandun yung focus nyo Oo. Kasi busy talaga ang Burr months, diba? Especially if you have business. So, you are going to focus on your sources of income. Business man yan, trabaho man yan, career man yan. And I also see achievement, no? Meron kang ma-achieve na goals mo. And even sa trabaho, pwedeng ikaw ay ma-recognize sa trabaho. And also, may mga fulfillment ka na sa mga goals mo para sa family mo. Let's say, nakapag-travel kayo somewhere or nabili mo ng importanteng gamit yung anak mo, yung mga ganun. Yeah. You have the Queen of Wands, the Two of Cups. If you are in a relationship, mas marami ring bonding time with your partner. Or, if you're single, maaring merong person na makikilala ka sa pag-travel mo. And you'll never know na siya na pala yung soulmate mo, diba? May offer ng love. Love, love, love. Yun nga lang, you have to set boundaries, no? Kasi lalo na kung masyadong, yung lagi kang mapagbigay, and minsan naaabuso ng iba yan. So, set healthy boundaries, okay? Para iwas sa, ma-take advantage ng iba. Okay, so let's see your overall energy, Aries. 9 of Swords. Masakit ang ulo. Aries, baka nga itong Burr months, maka-experience kayo ng headache na yung talagang maaaring kailangan nyo ipa-check talaga. Oo, lalo na kung madalas yung headache ninyo. Yung iba naman, iwasan nyo yung iwasan nyo pakikinig sa mga chismis-chismis na or mga bagay na walang basehan tapos magpapastress lang sa inyo. Kasi maaring merong mga nag-feed sa inyo ng mga information na hindi naman makakatulong sa inyo. So, iwasan nyo na lang yon. May mga worries and anxieties dito eh. So, iwas na lang sa ganyan. Kapag alam nyo stressful tong taong to, iwasan mo na siya. Huwag mo na kausapin. Oo. And then your challenge is the Eight of Swords. Oh, makes sense. Yun na naman, anxiety, trap. Ang ano lang, 'di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, financially maganda ang takbo ng pera, ng business, career. Kaya lang minsan may ano rin 'yan eh. Downside, no? Na andyan yung parang laging ikaw na lang yung hinihinga ng tulong, ikaw na lang yung dapat, 'di ba? Alam mo yun, ikaw yung sabi nga ano ba 'yun? May kasabihan. Basta ganon, kung sino yung mas binigyan ng marami, siya yung mas maraming responsibility. Oo. Ayun nga lang, kung maabuso na ng iba, 'di ba? Hindi rin maganda para sa inyo yun. So, protect your energies. And there are some people na will try na i-gaslight ka. So, kung kilala mo naman syempre yung sarili mo, wag mong hayaan na igina-gaslight ka ng iba kasi mas kilala mo yung sarili mo eh. 'Di ba? Your opportunity is the Page of Cups. So, meron kang opportunity na magsaya, mag-enjoy. Maaring meron kang bagong activity na madidiscover ngayong bare months na kung saan doon ka nakakapag-release ng stress. Doon ka nakakapag-release ng anxiety. And this is going to be helpful sa'yo para mabalance mo yung energy mo. Marami yan, kung ano-ano, depende sa interest mo. Yung iba sa sports, yung iba may mga hobbies, mga libangan. So, kung meron kang naging interesado ka sa isang libangan or sports, i-pursue mo yun kasi malaking tulong yun para sa pagtanggal ng stress mo. And then, your blessing is the Queen of Cups. This is creativity, compassion, intuition. So, yung instinct mo, intuition is going to be on point. Kumbaga, magiging mabilis or madali para sa iyo na makapag-decide what is best for you, and also yung iyong commitment sa mga projects mo, sa mga ginagawa mo ay talagang solid, no? Solid commitment. And also, mas magiging creative ka, maaring mas marami kang mga ideas ngayong bare months to create something that is going to be productive para sa iyo or makatulong sa business mo, sa career mo. And also, pwede ring merong pregnancy, no? Kasi Page of Cups is a young energy and then Queen of Cups energy is a nurturing energy. So, blessing and opportunity yan sa'yo. Kung gusto mong magkaanak, okay? Or pwedeng sa family mo, like asawa mo, manganganak, mabubuntis, ganon. And then, energy ng September, Nine of Cups. Oh, September is a good month for you. This is a wish fulfillment, happiness. Maaring may mga major events, activities na kung saan mag-e-enjoy ka. Oo, may mga happy, masasayang ganap sa'yo. Maaring meron ka ring wish na matutupad ngayong September. This is fulfillment, oo. Some of you talaga merong pregnancy. And then, October, King of Swords. King of Swords is someone na intellectual, logical mag-isip. So, yung iba sa inyo, pagdating ng October, mas magiging maingat kayo sa actions nyo. Mas magiging maingat kayo sa mga sasabihin, yung mga bibitawan yung salita. At kumbaga well calculated. Lalo na kung nararamdaman nyo ang intensyon ng isang tao ay hindi maganda. So kumbaga, alam mo kung paano umalis sa ganyang sitwasyon, or alam mo kung paano i-dismiss yun para hindi ka na maapektuhan. And then also, some of you merong mga learning opportunities, pwede mag-aaral kayo, may research, may mga bago kayong interest na kung saan meron kayong kailangang aralin, i-memorize, ganyan. And then, November, the Three of Wands. So, pagdating ng November, maaaring merong travel opportunities. You are going to go on an adventure. This can be sa ibang bansa, no? Pagpunta sa ibang bansa, this is also growth, no? So, merong growth, career growth, business expansion, and also excitement, sense of excitement. Meron din good luck sa inyo rito. So, maaring meron kang matutuklasan na isang magandang idea that will help you improve your finances, improve your career, and so on. No? And then, December. Wow, the Three of Pentacles. December is about success. This is exploration ng iyong kaperahan. Maaring yung iba sa inyo mas may pag-unlad pagdating sa business kung meron kayong negosyo. Kasi this is about enterprising pag ninegosyo. Or kahit anong business to, no, pwedeng laway lang puhunan mo. Pwede namang meron kang talagang inventory, no? But this is about learning more. Kumbaga yung mga natutunan mo nung October, mas may a-apply mo siya ng November, and pagdating ng December, you will reap the rewards. Oo. So, you will have a very successful finances or career or business pagdating ng December. This is also about pakikipag-collaborate, working with other people. So, maaring may mga taong supportive sa'yo, will help you sa mga projects mo, mga gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay, especially in your career or your business finances. So, money, career, finances, you have the Five of Wands. So, I feel like you're going to be more competitive, no? Mas magiging malakas ang loob mo to go out of your way na ipakita kung gaano ka kagaling. Three of Pentacles again. So, mas na-challenge ka kapag may competition. Oo. Kasi mas napupursu mo, mas napupush mo yung sarili mo sa na lumabas sa iyong comfort zone, and dahil doon, mas marami ka natutuklasan sa sarili mo na mga kakayanan mo. Love life. Three of Wands. You have the Two of Wands. I think pagdating sa love life, you will parang magkakaroon ka ng experience na roller coaster ride if you are in a relationship. May times na parang okay, ang saya ng relationship nyo. May times na parang very challenging. That's normal, no? Pero kung lagi na lang ganun, you have to rethink this situation. Maaring kailangan mong i-assess yung relationship na meron ka if gusto mong mag-go forward with this type of connection. Kasi maaring ikaw lang yung nag-a-adjust, ikaw lang yung nag-e-effort. Pag ganon, one-sided na siya, diba? Sa relationship, dapat pareho kayo. A leg up. So, if you need help, someone is going to help you. Magiging parte ka ng isang community or grupo na kung saan very supportive sa mga kasapi or kasama nila. To the sea. Yung iba sa inyo, you will find comfort or peace kapag kayo ay naglalakbay mag-isa. So, maaring bibigyan nyo ng time yung sarili nyo na kayo lang magta-travel, and dun nyo mas makikilala yung sarili ninyo. Deep friendship with someone of the same sex. So, ayan, maaring yan yung person na magiging very close ka, or you are already connecting with this person na malalim yung pagkakaibigan ninyo. You are also protected from negative forces beyond your control. Wow. So, maaring ito ay may kinalaman sa inyong yung inyong ancestors, no? Meron kang guardian angels, spirit guides, protectors. Triumph over troubles or success. So, don't worry, no? Kahit na may challenges na dumating, mapagtatagumpayan nyo naman yan. Especially that someone is willing to help you. Merong willing na mag-extend ng kanilang support para sa'yo. Let's see. Nurture. Allow any anxieties and worries to be gently released and offered up to be healed. Wow. 'Di ba sa first part ng reading, andun yung anxiety, andun yung stress. So, itong Burr months na to is the time for you to release that at to finally heal from those situation kasi maaring minsan kasi tayo nagsistay tayo sa isang stressful na environment or a situation na alam naman natin na kung aalis tayo doon mawawala yung stress na yon. So maaring that's part of you releasing that, no? Yes, maniniwala ka sa iyong instinct, sa iyong intuition. Listen to your soul's truth, think less, feel more. So, mas magiging malakas ang iyong pakiramdam sa mga intention ng mga tao sa paligid mo and also what's best for your situation. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.